Everyone, I'm hoping you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So yes guys, as you know that today our mother institute CMA Institute is celebrating CMA Foundation Day, and yes, our respected President sir has address to every CMA fraternity, and yes, and those students yet did not watch the sessions, you can directly watch the session from the official YouTube channel of CMA Institute, and in the description I will also share the link where you can directly watch the sessions. Okay, apart from this, most of the students are asking me about whether there is a information in during the session related with upcoming exams, or you can say the Jan 21 re-verification or withheld results. So guys, during the session our respected Papan sir has touched base an important point related with re-verification or withheld results. So Papan sir said that yes, institute is working on re-verification or withheld results, and yes, soon we will get soon every withheld student or re-verification student will get their results, but still we have to wait for the official notifications. Okay, we need not to fall into any predictions or any rumor. So yes, we are hoping that soon institute will release the result of withheld student and re-verification results. We have to wait only for the official notification. Today itself most of the students are asking me about the re-verification or withheld results. So one thing I can say that need not to fall into you can say that any rumor or any prediction. It is better to wait for the official notification. My suggestion to those students who are waiting for re-verification, please humble request fill the exam form, and I can say that those are waiting for withheld results, they one option they have those students only one option they have to wait for the official notification related with withheld results. Okay, and apart from this there will be no information related with mode of examination and other information. Our respected Papan sir and president address all the CMA fraternity. As you know that we are already we are celebrating our CMA foundation day. Yes, so there is a, you can say that there is a crux rated with the withheld or re-verification result during the sessions. Yes, for a re-verification or withheld student need to wait for the official notification. So hope you understand that. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, and in the description I also share the link where you can directly watch the today's session. And apart from this, from the official YouTube channel you can also watch the session. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.